Could you demonstrate from where on the jawline we can trim or shape? It looks untidy at times in between.
This? Right. Khwani, the beard you mean. Is that right?
Yeah, so between where it starts from the ears to the top of the lips.
Right. This beard or any hair, the asl, you're not supposed to take any hair except if there is a proof to take it out. Is that okay? So, if there is hair which is between your legs, Prophet of Allah is called the pubic hair, you need to what? To shave it, to cut it. And if there is hair in between your two arms, you need to as well pluck it, get it rid of it, shave it, put cream, whatever, get rid of it. Any other hair, I'm not allowed to go and, what is the proof of going to be making my wax onto my hand, my hair? The loss of hair is not just here and everywhere. But if there is a hair, you're taking it out because of pain, no problem, it's allowed. Meaning that there is a hair that's going into my nose and really blocking my entry of air. I'll cut that for the sake of not for the sake of beauty. The thing which is haram is for the sake of what? Beauty. There is a hair that is going from there and as well is poking me, is going to my neck. I'm cutting that because that hair of yours is special and it's really like needles and poking you. Because of, again, not the beauty. Prophet ﷺ, he said, لعنهن Allah, those النامصة المتنمصة, the one who plucks the hair and has her plucked, and the one who does put a wig on, and الواصلة مستوصلة, and the one who makes between them the teeth a space. All of them cursed. المغيرات لخلق الله للحسن, the one who changes the creature of Allah for the sake of beauty. So if it's not for the sake of beauty, there's no problem. Okay? Now we come to some things which scholars are different. A woman whom she is a woman, she's not supposed to have a beard. So when she got a beard, proper beard, if she cuts it, she's not changing the creation of Allah because she's what? She's a woman. And the creation of the woman what? There's no beard. Some scholars are no, they said you can't touch it even then. But we could, this is understandable because she's not from the creation of Allah, the woman she has a beard. But a woman, she's got a bit of thick brows. All right, here. Why do you want to make it like thinner? Why? Why do you want to make it thinner? For the sake of what? Beauty, isn't it? Why? And you start making them bring a ruler, I don't know what you do. And subhanAllah, there's somebody I've seen yesterday or the day before in one of the shops, not kafir, woman. She's making the opposite. She's making her eyebrows, even they look really funny, thick, big. Wallah, the thickness of my finger like that. Look, imagine that thickness of my finger on top of my ear, my eyes. So, it grabs your attention. But and Allah Azza wa Jal, subhanAllah, He told us what the shaitan is going to do. وَلَا آمُرَنَّهُمْ فَلَا يُغَيِّرُنَّ خَلْقَ اللَّهِ. I'm going to command them to change the creation of Allah. Okay. So this shaitan is there to command you to do that. Wallahi, the person is more beautiful with what Allah had created him. I'm not saying the woman is not supposed to beautify herself, but some of the beautification that the women they go through, they look like a clown more than the person. You know what's a clown meaning? The one who's got really white and then red lipstick. Yeah, really white. Not beautification at the time of the Prophet. It was okay. They beautify, but in a normal, reasonable way. Ikhwani who's on the online, I would like to take your permission to say to you, Subhanakallah bihamdik. Inshallah next time